Hello, welcome back to Sandra's Shelf, where we talk all things self-help and lifestyle. How you guys doing? Happy New Year 2023. Better be the best year ever, because 2022 I hardly made it and I hated the year. I just hated 2022. But enough of that, and let's start the video. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the gifts that I've received from my family and some friends. So I thought I'd film this what I got for Christmas video because I don't see many Canadians doing this, or maybe there are and I haven't seen them. But yeah, I feel like I wonder what people around the world get. Like, I love to scroll on TikTok and see like what someone got in Sweden and what a guy got in France, and it's always like so different. But there are some items that are so staple, like socks, and I love socks. But anyways, so yeah, I just figured I'd do one of these as a 25-year-old freelancer living in Ontario, Canada. So yeah, hope you enjoy. It's not my normal type of video, but if you guys like this video, I probably will make a sequel next year, next Christmas, obviously. I'm just wondering, do people actually do these hauls, these what I got for Christmas hauls? Because I haven't seen one in a long time and I've always wanted to make one, especially when I get things that I'm super excited to get. But I don't know, I haven't seen one in a while, but here it is, my shot, my chance at filming one myself, because this time I didn't forget to do that. I gathered all my gifts together, and yeah, I'm super grateful for what I got. All of these gifts are super thoughtful and amazing gifts, so yes, let's get into it. So the first thing that I got from my sister and her boyfriend is Sophie Calle, Prenez soin de vous. And this is a book that I should not show this to the camera because the glare is gonna offset my face. But anyways, this is a book that I learned about when I was doing my undergrad. I did like a multimedia studies, I don't know how to call it, class, and our professor was showing us all these different ways where we can interpret media content in French, and she came up with this by Sophie Calle, and it's basically a mixed media of people's reception of a breakup note that Sophie Calle got. Actually, it was a breakup email. So this was, I think, produced like about 10 years ago or something, when emails were still in. Okay, here, I'm gonna read the actual facts. So she got a email of a breakup. She didn't know what to respond. She said that it's as if the email was not addressed to her. Now, in that email, the last few words of that email is Prenez soin de vous, which means take care of yourself. So she took this recommendation to heart, and she asked 107 women, and according to the different jobs and talents, to interpret the letter in a professional outlook. So to comment on the letter, to play with the letter, to analyze it, to do anything that they want with the letter. And in this way, this is how Sophie Calle is Prenez soin de vous, like elle prend soin de soi-même. So in this way is how she actually takes care of herself. So it's a very interesting concept. The first time I held this book, I was like, I need this, but it was a very expensive book, so I waited for Christmas time to ask for it, and there was a big special on it. So I got the French version, obviously, and it comes straight from France. And I'm gonna maybe take a little clip video of this more in depth, but yeah, there's even braille writing. There's so much here, so many images of the women themselves, and yeah, and some of them, like, it's just crazy. I think this is one of the coolest things that have ever been produced. So yeah, it's really heavy too. Then also for my sister and her boyfriend, I got this Champion sweater vest type of thing, or sweater, wool sweater, and it's very comfortable, it's very cute, but I don't know if I like the purple. I think it's too purple on me. I don't know what to think. Maybe should I try this on this haul? Let's try it. Okay, honest opinions only. What do you guys think? Does it suit me, or should I change it? Should I go out and change it? I just want the honest opinion. I still have the tags on, so you guys have about a week to tell me what you think. I'm not really one for colors, you guys know that already, except for my bookshelves. So it's really hard for me to see if this is a thing for me or not. I do like one straight color and then mixing it with a black, but I'm not too sure. So let me know. I don't know myself. I feel like it looks nicer on the camera than on real life. So yeah, that's another thing to consider. They also got me a $50 Chapters Indigo card, obviously, because I love Chapters Indigo. Obviously, that's where I buy a lot of my books. And yeah, so that's what I got from them. It was very nice and thoughtful from them. Then from my friend and coworker, I got this very, very cute puzzle, and it's a Christmas puzzle, a bookish puzzle with a cat sleeping. It's a cat nap puzzle, and I really wanted a puzzle, so I don't know how she guessed in my brain that I wanted a puzzle, but it was amazing. And she also gave me a Starbucks gift card, which was also great, so I'm just so happy. Then for my friend, the one that I went to the Christmas market with, he gave me a gift card with a lovely Christmas letter, and it's always a pleasure to get a Christmas letter from him. So yes, I'm very happy, and I can't wait to go to Starbucks, honestly. Since we're just getting rid of the gift cards now, I'm gonna go to my last gift card. I got a $50 Amazon gift card, and that's from my dad's friend who I worked with for 2 months this year. So I was very nice with him. I wasn't expecting anything, so it was really, really sweet that he thought of me. Then I got some gym stuff from my mom and dad. I'm just gonna go through them quickly. I got these Fila gloves, and it's black and purple, which are my favorite colors. So this is for basically when we work out in the gym. Me and my mom, we always go for these classes, and we have to lift these heavy weights, so sometimes it hurts for our fingers. So now I have this to prevent any pain. I've also got these. I'm just trying to hide this. I don't know how to hide this. I don't want to rip it, because if I don't like it, I'm gonna change it. Let me just use one hand then. I also got these Fila workout shoes. I'm pretty sure these are the men shoes, but whatever. They still fit, and they're really nice, and I really wanted some white shoes, so I'm just using this at the gym. I've used them already, so I kind of went out and picked up these shoes with my mom, because we know this store that sell either they're selling knockoffs, or they're selling just like really generic brands and putting them at a really discounted price. So like instead of paying like hundreds of dollars, you only pay like $50 or something. So yeah, I got these ones, and I also got another pair of shoes. I got Pumas. I don't really like Puma, but this pair I really like. It's these Puma gold and black pair, and they're also very comfortable, and I think these ones are for women. I'm not sure. I don't really care. As long as it fits, as long as I like it, perfect for the gym. And also black socks. I love black socks, especially the thick ones, especially for me because I'm always cold and I always have 3 socks on, so perfect. And so the last workout thing that I got was this Fila sweater, and it's like, you know, just a regular sweater. I can use it for the gym, and obviously I went to try it out at the men's section because they always have nicer things than the women's section. All you have to do is get a small or extra small and you're all set. The last 2 gifts that I got from my parents are beauty items. Obviously my mom inspired these, so she got me some tea tree treatments because I have really severe acne the last year, and I don't know, I think my hormones are imbalanced, so she just wanted to help me out with my face. So she got me this tea tree face wash, and then she got me this tea tree essential oil to put after I wash my face. I don't know if this is focusing. And then she got me this vitamin E salicylic acid, and it's like this serum that you put towards the end after all that. So yeah, I've been using these. I've been seeing a little bit of a difference already lately, so I just have to keep on using them, and this was very thoughtful of her. I hate how tea tree oil smells like though, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Then she also got me Juicy Couture perfume, which is good because I tell her I never buy perfume and I always am afraid to run out, and then someone buys me one for an occasion and I'm always set for life. So this is amazing. I don't know how she knew, but she knew. And then every year she buys me liquid eyeliner, and again, I don't know how she knows, but I'm always out of liquid eyeliner around the Christmas time, and she always buys me one, and we always use the same one. It's the e.l.f. liquid liner, and me and her, we always buy this one. So it was great to receive that because every year I need one. And yeah, that's what I'm using right now. That's what I always use on my eyes. So yeah, that's all that I got this Christmas. I feel like I've been spoiled. I know that it's not like these very extravagant gifts, but these are all, like every single one of these gifts I love so much. Oh, actually I forgot one thing. I almost forgot that I also got this tempered glass for screen protector for my new iPhone 14 that I will unbox later, and I got for myself for Christmas because I've been needing a new phone. I have the iPhone 10. I only upgrade my phone every 3 to 4 years when my phone battery is dead, or when the camera's not good, when I'm filming videos, etc., or when I run out of space. So I got the iPhone 14 purple with 256 gigs, so it's the one up because my old phone is just, it's always causing me trouble. And I also got the clear case this time, not a black case, because I have a purple phone for once, not a black phone. So yeah, the only time I will betray black is if there's a nice purple. So yeah, that's the Christmas gifts that I got. I'm honestly super grateful. It was an amazing Christmas and a very thoughtful Christmas, and I would not change it for the world. So I'm very happy, and I can't wait to unbox my iPhone 14. And I'm so happy that I decided to buy myself the iPhone 14, and my dad was kind enough to pitch in some money as well. So stay tuned for that. Okay, and now we're going to unbox the iPhone 14 Pro, the 256 gigabyte one in a deep purple. Okay, are you guys ready for it? Because I'm not ready for it. So the reason why I got the 256 one is because, oh my god, this is, wow, this is so purple. I love this. Look at that, it's so pretty. It's shining. Oh my god, the cameras are like really out there and like big. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I had the iPhone 10, so it was about time for an update. 4 generations passed. So the reason why I got the 256 gig is because I've really had a hard time lately with what I have, and it's not a fun time when you film content every single day and you can't seem to be filming anymore because your phone is always out of storage. And it doesn't matter how many times I would back up and clean my entire camera roll, I would always have the same problem, not even a few days later. So it was time for me to get not only a new phone, but a new phone with more storage space. So it's coming like this. We're gonna take this off. Wow, beautiful. So we'll see if I can set it up here right now. If not, I'm just gonna come back and share my thoughts and opinions. But I love the look of it so far already. I hope the front facing camera is as good as the back facing camera. Oh, this is so fancy. Hello. And I'm just gonna set this one English, Canada, set up manually. Oh, I always forget our password. Hold on a second. Okay, it says it may take a few minutes to activate your phone. I should have thought about this, but I have the SIM card on this phone, so I might have to like just open this phone up. I think I have the key to open for the SIM card. Oh, I got it. Alright, I'm about to do Face ID. I got to set it up pretty quickly. I love the purple so much. I'm scared of dropping it. So I also bought the clear case, and I got the tempered glass screen protector. So the tempered glass, I'm gonna get the guy that I bought this from in the mall to install it for me. So I have to wait one more day, and I'm really scared to drop the phone, so I'm gonna try not to use it much. So I'm gonna put this on and we'll see how it's gonna look with the purple. I'm seriously amazed at how dirty my fingers are. Like, what the hell? Okay, I'm putting this in. Ooh, please fit. Oh, okay. Oh, I don't like this at all. Oh, it's in. Okay, I like this. I can work with this. It's pretty cute. Obviously, I chose a purple background. I still have to play with this. I know we can add widgets now, and it's really cool. But yeah, I'm in love with it. I actually really love this so much. I love the purple. Purple is my ultimate favorite color. I always get my phones in black, but when I saw the purple, I'm like, okay, this is it. I need to buy the purple one. So yeah, that's the iPhone 14 Pro. I will maybe make a video in the future, but like I'm not really tech savvy. I actually bought this so I can film more TikToks and stuff and more B-roll for my YouTube channels. So yeah, if you have any advice and tips, or if you have your own thoughts on the new iPhone, please feel free to share it. It's been like a few minutes that I have it, so I don't know what I think of it yet, but so far I like it. And I feel like the iPhone is pretty heavy, or maybe it's the same, but I feel it feels a bit heavier. but maybe that means it's gonna be sturdier. I don't know. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. It's not my typical content, but I hope you like it. If you do, maybe there will be more lifestyle chill videos in the future as well. But for now, take care and I'll see you on the next shelf. Bye!